Hello from Independence of the Sea. We have a balcony starboard side cabin to show you, room 8392. And we are heading to Labadee, Haiti tomorrow. So let's go check it out right now. Here we go. Come on in. Right off the bat, the decor is a lot lighter than the last couple cruise ships and cabins we've been in. So I'm kind of liking the decor, a little bit more modern on Independence of the Sea. But let's start when we walk in, see what's there first. Okay, we've got 2 hooks, great for bathrobes or any other clothing that you want. Over here, we've got the main lighting for the room. This is the bathroom, and it must be the lighting for the bathroom. Up here we have the air conditioner, or we'll call it the temperature control for the room. So far so good. Let's go into the bathroom. The light is on, and I'll hop in. And yes, whenever you're in a balcony cabin, a standard balcony cabin, it's all about efficiency. We have a sink with room on either side to put some toiletries. And oh, I like this. See, it opens this way. We've got shelving over here that is hidden behind the mirrored door, which is always nice. Nothing on this side, but that should do fine. And the typical shelf below that we can also have some storage. Toilet is a standard toilet, just enough room. And I love when we don't have to deal with a shower curtain. So in this case, we will open this up, and nice, clean, bright. And again, the word that comes to mind is efficient. And if you take a look, everything's pretty much standard. And there is a clothesline, which we do use often for our trips coming back from the beach and also when we're working out. So not bad. Okay, let's move on. Before we get to the main area, we have our closet area. Okay, if I can open this up just wide enough, you can see I would call that just about 4 feet of hanger space. Not bad. Nothing on this side, but if you look over here, there's some good wire shelving. Okay, so we've got 4 or 5 shelving from the bottom. You've got 4, a place for the safe, and then up here you've got another small shelf. Good for some hideaway stuff. Okay, let's close this up. Now, if you're really looking for extra space, I did notice there's actually a little shelf up here that if you do need to put things such as, I don't know, sunscreen or other things, just remember not to leave them there when you're done. I mean, I guess if you're really short of room, you can put hats, shoes, purses, anything that you want. There's a little extra space there. Alrighty, coming more forward, we've got a nice vanity desk area. You'll see we've got a number of drawers working up until you get to over here. And in this cabin, you've got a little extra desk space with a hideaway location for some more of your goodies. Okay, good chair. And you got your room service pamphlets in there and tissues. This room has definitely been prepared pretty well. And over here, again, oh, a little tight. What's in here? Okay, so obviously that's your hair dryer in this side. And then again, 1, 2, and 3 more of these same size drawers. Looking up on your vanity desk area, we've got shelving over here. Not exactly large, but again, it's nice to hide things. If you want to try to keep your place looking a little cleaner, it's nice to have these closed shelf areas. And as we look over here, we do have, obviously, if you want to turn on your announcements that are blaring outside your room to inside, that sometimes works, not always. We have a European plug. This is definitely old school. I don't think they're in use anymore. So one European plug and 2 American plugs over here. And this is the light for the desk / vanity. All right, whenever I see a vent, that's my signal that there's probably the refrigerator down below. And cool enough. Again, I guess it's just enough for what you need for 4 days, 5 days, a week or so in this cabin. Some more shelving, and we have a flat panel TV that does come out and you can swivel it in either direction. All right, now this room, this cabin, is a 4-person cabin if you need it to be. So over here, this couch, which when you look at it, it seems large for a reason. It's because it does pull out and make up into a bed for 2 people. We're not going to do that, but we did confirm that this is a 4-person cabin. And you have a nice little table for your morning coffee or anything like that while you're sitting on the couch. Okay, this is pretty nice. I'll come over here. You have your phone, you have your little nightstand with 1 drawer and an open shelf down below, cubby area. You have your sconce light, plus over here on this side is your reading light. We'll keep it on for now. And this, I'm not going to turn it off. Usually on this side of the bed is an additional main cabin light switch, so you don't have to get up to go to the door to turn your lights off at the end of the night when you're in bed. Okay, let's go just check the last little bit. Oh, I don't know if we mentioned it. Here's some open shelving over there. Now, we haven't officially fully moved in, but if you've watched our other cabin tours, you know that we will have our magnetic hooks for hats and, you know, excursion tickets, you name it. So all the walls are metal and we'll make good use of that. Okay, we'll turn on our sconce. I already left my laptop here and we have another end table with the same storage over here. And it looks very inviting. So the bed is the standard 2 twins pushed together to make a queen-ish size bed. It allows flexibility in case you're traveling with a friend or 2 people who prefer to have 2 separate beds, and they'll usually put the end tables in between to give space between the 2. All right, it is nighttime here, so we'll take a quick look, but then tomorrow morning we'll show you what it looks like outside. But we are in a spacious balcony room. We are cruising at about 15 knots and the seas are really calm. So you can barely hear the movement of the ship, but it's a nice size balcony. All right, let's come in. It's the next day, and we just wanted to show you what the balcony looked like in the daytime, and we spent the day in Haiti, Labadee, and had a great time. But this balcony is just calling us to come out and enjoy the view of Labadee. We've got our 2 chairs, a nice big table, and a fairly wide balcony, at least from the entranceway to the railing. And we're definitely going to enjoy it, and sail away should be spectacular. Okay, so that's it from Independence of the Seas balcony room, and we will be back at you with more videos on our Independence of the Seas trip, so stay tuned and definitely hit the subscribe button, smash it, so you won't miss a video from this trip or any of our other cruises coming up. Take care.